let's learn how to solve this list matching question from JEE Advanced. We are given two lists and the left hand side list has 4 items, and in each item there is a quadratic equation, and then we have to find an equation which has certain roots. So first let's look. So we can see that option P and Q has the same quadratic equation. Option R and S have different equations. So we can solve P and Q together. So let's start. So first let's start with P. So in P we are given this quadratic equation and alpha and beta are its root. So we know from the identities that alpha plus beta is -1 and alpha beta is 1. And we can also find the values of alpha and beta. So let's say alpha is -1 plus 3 iota by 2, and beta is -1 minus under root 3 iota by 2. And now we can think, we might have seen these values somewhere, right? Aren't these complex cube root of unity? I think so. So we can assume that, let's say alpha is our omega and beta is our omega square, where omega and omega square are complex cube roots of unity. Okay, and we already know all the properties of omega and omega square. We know that omega cube is 1 and 1 plus omega square is 0, and that's it. We know the values of alpha and beta. We can start calculating these expressions. So first let's calculate alpha plus 1 to the power 2026, which is nothing but minus omega square to the power 2026, and we can see that this is omega to the power 4052, and we know that omega cube is 1, so we will try to reduce this expression in that format. So we can write it omega square, and this one is 1, so we are left with omega square. So our first root will be 1 upon omega square, and this we can write again omega cube by omega square, which is omega. So one of the roots of the required equation is omega. Let's find the another one, which is beta plus 1 to the power 2026, and similar to alpha plus 1 to the power 2026, we can find this value, which is, now we have to reciprocal it. So 1 over omega is omega square. The second root is omega square, and you can see that these roots are the roots of the given equation. Therefore these two roots will be the roots of equation 1. So we have answer 1 for P. In option B, we have to calculate alpha plus 1 to the power 2027. So we can use these already calculated values. So what we will do is alpha plus 1 to the power 2027 is alpha plus 1, which is nothing but omega plus 1 into alpha plus 1 to the power 2026, which was omega square. So we have this value, and we already know 1 plus omega is minus omega square, so we are left with minus omega to the power 4, which is minus omega, and we have to reciprocal it. So 1 upon 1 minus omega is nothing but minus omega square. So this is our first root of the required equation, and similarly we can find beta plus 1 to the power 2027, which is beta plus 1, which is 1 plus omega square into omega. 1 plus omega square is minus omega, so we are left with, and we have to take the reciprocal of it. So after taking reciprocal, we are left with minus omega. Therefore our required equation will have minus omega square and minus omega as its roots. So we can see that sum of roots will be minus omega plus omega square, which is nothing but 1, and product will be minus omega times minus omega square, which is omega cube, which is 1. Therefore, our equation will be x square minus x plus 1 equals to 0. And hence we can see that Q matches with item number 2 of list 2. Let's move on to R. In R, we are given this quadratic equation which we have just found. And therefore, our gamma we can assume as minus omega, and delta we can assume as minus omega square. And similar thing we can calculate again here. So we have to calculate gamma minus 1 to the power 2026, which is nothing but minus omega minus 1 to the power 2026. And we know that 1 plus omega is minus omega square. So we have omega to the power, and this is nothing but omega square. Similarly, we can find delta minus 1 to the power 2026, which is minus omega square minus 1 to the power 2026, which we can easily find, which is omega. After calculating these values, we have to find the sum of their reciprocal. So 1 over omega square plus 1 by omega. And 1 over omega square is nothing but omega, and 1 upon omega is nothing but omega square. So we have to find omega plus omega square, which we know that is equal to minus 1. Therefore, R matches with item number 4. In the last item, our quadratic equation is x square plus x minus 1 equals to 0, and P R are its roots. So we can write P plus R equals to minus 1 and P R equals to minus 1. And we have to find the value of 1 upon P plus 1 cube plus 1 upon R plus 1 cube. And we can see from here that if we expand this P plus 1 cube and R plus 1 cube, or if we take LCM, this is going to be very complex to calculate. Can we reduce this expression to a manageable form using these expressions? Let's see. From this, we can see that P plus 1 is minus R and R plus 1 is minus P. And therefore, our required expression is reduced to minus 1 upon R cube plus 1 upon P cube. And now we can see that this is quite easier comparatively. And we can put the value of Rp, which is minus 1. So minus 1 cube is minus 1. And in the numerator, we have P plus R into P plus R square minus Rp. This minus cancels out, and we already know P plus R is minus 1. So we have minus P square plus R square equals to P plus R whole square minus 2PR minus PR. So we have P plus R square is 1 minus 3PR, and PR is minus 1, so we have plus 3. So ultimately we get this expression equals to minus 4. Therefore, S matches with item number 5 of the second list, and we can see that our option C is correct option. I hope you enjoyed this solution. Consider subscribing this channel and follow the page.